Good afternoon, teacher. This is my class plan. Class plan. English subject. Level secondary basic. Teacher Clara Mercado Paternina. Subject English. Grade A. Group 2. School year. Date October 30. Thematic axis. Verb tenses. Unit name. Continuous present. Purpose to develop a process of self-control and language correlation. Standards. I develop process of self-control and language correlation in my production of oral and written text. Skill. Recognize, differs, grammatical structure, to thought of, right, able, correct, past or future, event and situation. Communicate properly in written or oral for using different tense. Initiation. The class will begin with a brief welcome to the student and a small project from the student. Pre-knowledge exploration. According to the tenses we refer to when we tell about the present continuous. Problem situation. How to increase student knowledge about the diverse interpretation of tenses. Basic concept. Present continuous. It generally refers to actions that are in progress, that are happening at the right time we are talking. We can get different use to this continuous present. Spelling rules. Verb ending. El drop de en, take the en suffix. Right, working. Verbs ending in one stress vowel between two consonants doors the last. This is some example of how the present continuous informs temporary situation. Manuel is studying English. They may be happening at the moment. I am talking to Javier. Repeated action. They are always helping each other. How it forms. First, the subject we. Second, the present form of the verb to be are we are. Third, the verb in zero. Verb plus en, reading. We are reading. Such to be verbs. We can also use the contract form of the verb to be. He is drinking a glass of wine. He is drinking a glass of wine. They are flying. Daniel in interrogation. Want to create the negative for in the present continuous only the particle not must be had between the verb to be and the verbs in zero. He is not jumping, not flying. 2. To create the interrogate for as in the verb to be. The order of the sentence will be reversed and the verb to be will be placed first and then the subject. You are reading, you are reading, are you reading, you are reading. The present continuous total even the future. The present continuous can also be used to call even the future. The only requirement is that without even activities that are already planned. For example, if you bought tickets to travel to London in February, then you can say, I'm traveling to London in February. I will travel to London in February. Then you can use the present continuous to refer to the future when you have already planned something in advance. Exercises. Turn the following sentences into negative. You are seeing Jane tomorrow. You are not seeing Jane tomorrow. You are not seeing Jane tomorrow. Methodological activity and strategy. Using the tick will show students a video about everything that can do with continuous present. Exercises will be writing on the board for students to orient themselves. For example, Pablo is eating a delicious apple. Maria is watching a movie. We are studying to do well on the exam. He is studying health this day. They are walking in the park. A sheet of writing will be given to the student where they will wear a series of very good where they will have to add in the and place they in the correct box. Example: walk, dance, swim, shop, live, study, love, write, play, smoke, look, stop, sleep, dear, run. Example: strengthening and reinforcement activity. Students will be given a student will be given a printed sheet where they will have to fill in the which continuous present. Example: evaluation shell assessment process. Depending on the activity, Self-assessment process, depending on the activity carried out, the student will self-assessment process, depending on the activity carried out, the student will qualify according to what has been done individuals. Co-evaluation process. A socialization will be made about the activity carried out. Evaluation process. At the end of the session, students will be asked how they found the class. Student behavior and the participation will be taken into account. In the end, a writing evaluation will be made to look at the degree of learning that the student obtained. Culminate. For sentences with the present continuous, complying with the grammar rules. Organizational elements. Bibliography, grammar model. Cybergraphy. Used material. Receive memory, sheet of paper, word, pencil, marker, video player. Thank you.